Hi everyone, let's go ahead and walk through how to add a frequently asked questions section to your Best Company profile. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account and then navigate to the company profile builder on the left. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see the Add FAQ section. Go ahead and click on that, and then click the Add Question button. From here, we will be able to add a question and an answer. And once you have completed both the question and answer, you can click the Submit button at the bottom. You will notice that this FAQ is currently pending. That is because changes may take up to 2 business days to be approved and published to your profile page. Okay, now just so we have a couple of FAQs to work with, I'm going to add a few more. Okay, great. Now that we have a couple of FAQs to work with, I'm going to show you how to reorder them so they appear in the order that you would like on your profile. First, click and hold the 6 dots to the left of the question, then drag and drop it wherever you would like. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit the content of an FAQ. First, find the FAQ that you would like to edit, and then click the pencil icon to the right. From here, you can edit the question and the answer. When you have made all necessary changes, click Save Changes at the bottom. Okay, now we will wait for everything to be approved. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this page to see if our FAQ section has been approved. Great, you can see that the status next to each of these FAQs has been changed from pending to approved. Now to see what the FAQ section looks like on your profile, open up a new tab, go to bestcompany.com, and find your profile page. This is an example of a medical alert company who has an FAQ section on their profile. Near the top of the profile, you will see tabs that help customers navigate the profile. Go ahead and click on the FAQ tab to be taken to the Frequently Asked Questions section. Here you can see all of the questions and answers that the company included. If you would ever like to delete a question or make any additional edits to your FAQ section, go back to your Best Company account, back to the company profile builder, scroll down, click the Edit button next to Frequently Asked Questions, and from here you can edit with the pencil icon again, or you can delete an FAQ by clicking the trash can icon to the right. Perfect. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck adding an FAQ section to your Best Company profile.